What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called American Aries Incorporated. Now, American Aries Incorporated makes a really interesting technology for your cell phones to stop radiation. As you know, we're moving into this 5G era, and there's a lot of research being done, but it might not be as safe as we think. So that's what this company focuses on. We're going to be talking all about the company in this video, simply just introducing it to you guys. Always remember, guys, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, and this video was sponsored by a third party on behalf of American Aries. Check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. Small cap stocks in general are highly volatile. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing. So without further ado, guys, I bring you American Aries. Of course, don't forget to smash that like button if you appreciate these types of videos, new and exciting companies, along with smashing that subscribe button and hitting the bell for notifications on future videos. But let's get straight into this. So let's see how American Aries has traded over the past year. So it's got a 52-week range of 14 cents and a 52-week high of 41 cents with a market cap currently around $30 million. Canadian. So it is traded on the Canadian Stock Exchange, or the CSE, under ticker symbol WIFI, or WIFI. As we can see, guys, over the past year, it's traded as high as 40 cents, like we said, which was very recently that we hit 52-week highs. It did have a nice run, and recently it's pulled back a little bit, and looks like we may run into some support in the mid-20s. So might be an interesting time to take a look at the company. So you can head on over to their website if you want to find out more information about the products, about the company. That's ariestech.com. Introducing LifeTune device. LifeTune device EMR modulation technology is designed to reduce the harmful effects of electromagnetic radiation emitted by data transmitting electronics such as cell phone, cordless phones, wireless earpieces, wireless headsets, computers, laptops, monitors, smart TVs, baby monitors, Wi-Fi routers, and more. So you can see right here on their website, they do have an online store. If you want to check out all of their different products, or simply learn more about their products or their technology, they do have patented technology. And they also do have an Instagram with some really nice photos. So in this introductory video, we're going to talk about an interesting article from EnergyNewsReports.com. 5G is rapidly growing, but there may be concerns. American Aries could ease the concerns through safely using 5G and protecting millions. This technology could massively disrupt life and business as we know it. It's beyond just cell phone reception. It could continue ushering in the Internet of Things, social gaming, virtual reality, augmented reality, robotics, automated vehicles, healthcare, imaging and diagnostics, and many more. With new technology comes sometimes issues. However, a critical issue must be resolved for millions of people. The World Health Organization and several of the world's leading health organizations all claim that there could be significant health risks associated with electromagnetic radiation. Forbes reported California warns about cell phone exposure and health risks. The World Health Organization reported International Agency for Research on Cancer classifies radio frequency electromagnetic fields as possibly carcinogenic to humans. The Daily Mail claims more than 250 scientists have urged the EU to halt the rollout of 5G. So obviously there's much more research to be done. So protecting from EMR risks could be an unserved market, and American Aries may very well capitalize. So American Aries Inc. appears to have developed proprietary EMF modulation technology that could reduce the harmful effects. The technology claims to have been developed by highly credited scientists and confirmed by independent third-party validation, including peer-reviewed studies and publications in scientific journals. For use on almost all consumer electronic devices like your cell phone, laptop, monitor, Bluetooth headset, smart TV, baby monitor, router. So now let's talk about the top 10 reasons to consider American Aries. So American Aries products appear to have been designed to reduce the harmful effects of EMR emitted by data transmitting electronics. Number 2, American Aries expects to end 2021 with approximately 400% market growth. Number 3, the World Health Organization and several of the world's leading organizations all believe there are significant health risks with EMR. These emissions seem to be growing at an alarming rate, with the adoption of 5G could pose a potential threat to the general public. Number 4, this appears to be a high margin business, approximately 70% gross margins that could be scalable and potentially offer a broad range of products sold globally through a direct to consumer e-commerce platform. So that is nice. They do have their own direct to consumer e-commerce platform. Number 5, American Aries could have exposure to a potential Internet of Things market worth approximately 41.6 billion. Number 6, American Airways seems to have launched its 5G optimized product line, LifeTune. LifeTune claims to be a new line of EMR protection offerings optimized for and comparable with 5G technology. Number 7, the company appears to have recently upgraded its website, e-commerce platform, and sales platform for scalable growth with minimal staff. Airways claims that it can deliver up to roughly 10,000 products per day. It's always nice to know that the company has a very scalable platform now. Number 8, American Airways appears to have begun sales of its pet product in response to robust consumer demand. The product claims to be a first-of-its-kind product for consumers to protect their pets against the potentially harmful effects of EMR. Number 9, American Airways seems to have an experienced management team and board with a successful track record. Number 10, American Airways Inc. appears to have strong technicals and long-term potential as its products see potentially further demand with the dangers of EMR. So we talked about the stock and how it has pulled back recently. American Airways expects to end 2021 with approximately 400% growth. So let's take a look at their timeline. So this is as of Q1. So Q1 2021, market launch of new 5G products and pet products, opening new fulfillment centers in the USA, drop shipping program initialization, transforming to lifetune.com. Now Q2, trade-in program launch, partnering with a marketing firm in Europe. Then expected for Q3, initiate European marketing, drop shipping program expansion, and finally in Q4, partnering to embed our products with leading manufacturers. And this is really interesting. So initiate discussions with potential strategic partners to embed and distribute our products. Our goal is to become the Intel Inside equivalent in the EMR space. So that is quite a goal, and that totally makes sense to me. Let's read some of the comments from their CEO, who is Dmitry Serov. So as American Airways looks towards the future, there are a lot of reasons for excitement. 2021 was very much an investment year for the company, as the focus was on creation of strong sales and infrastructure partnerships with the goal of creating an infinitely scalable direct-to-consumer e-commerce platform. Airways also spent significant time and effort in developing their new 5G optimized LifeTune line of products for home, office, and pets. Now let's talk a little bit about the recent results. So in the third quarter, the company reported the following: total revenue for the 3 months ending September 2020 was approximately $646,000 compared to around $138,000 for the same period the year before. Total revenue for 9 months ending September 2020 was $1.5 million compared to roughly $477,000 for the same period the year before. Multiple best-of-breed e-commerce platform to their line of distributors. The launch of its new optimized protection line, LifeTune. So what is American Airways' core competency? The technology. At the heart of all Airways products is a silicone-based, patented Airways microprocessor, an edge fractal, front-facing, state-of-the-art Airways microprocessor. So here we can see, guys, the technology is broken down. You know, if you are really interested in this company, please always do your own research and due diligence. Take a look at their technology. It is very interesting. And we can see here how it's applied to various phones, laptops, baby monitors, tablets. Also take a look at the management team. Also another very important aspect of doing your own research and due diligence. And then once again, the top 10 reasons which we just summed up, guys. So if American Airways, interests you, obviously, do your own research and due diligence. Take a look at this company. It is an interesting company with an interesting technology, and let me know in the comments what you think, guys. American Airways might be one interesting stock to take a look at for 2021. But anyways, that's the introductory video. That's it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Once again, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details. This video is sponsored by a third party for American Airways Incorporated. And last but not least, always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.